This Etsy shop has made over $11,000 just by selling simple digital products. So if you're struggling with what to sell on your Etsy shop, well, you are in the right place, because in this tutorial, I will be revealing 7 unsaturated digital products that you can start selling on your Etsy shop right away that has the potential to earn you thousands of dollars for you each month. I would also give you some insight into the potential earning that you can make. And the first on the list is digital Notion templates. So Notion is this amazing productivity app. You can use Notion to create templates for specific audiences, for example, college students managing classes, content creators planning YouTube videos, or even freelancers tracking client work. The way to create them is simply start with a free Notion account. You want to customize a workspace for your target audience. For example, a content calendar for YouTube could have sections for video ideas, scripts, thumbnails, and deadlines. And once it is ready, you can simply save it as a shareable link. Now, you could sell this on Etsy for about $10 to $30 each. And with the right SEO, it is easy to stand out. Now, the next one is editable Canva templates for unique niches. Now, let's talk about editable Canva templates. These are actually popular, but here's the trick. You want to niche down. Most sellers focus on generic businesses or generic business templates, but you can create designs for like Airbnb hosts, wedding planners, or even digital creators. The money is in the niching down. By creating them, you can simply go to Canva, select the size of your template. Let's say it's an e-flyer, or if it's a checklist, you can simply search for checklist in the search bar and use Canva's free element. You can see all these are free, they're free templates, or you can simply create a blank design and do yours from scratch just to make it professional and customizable. So let's say we open this one and want to customize it. You can simply customize it to whatever you like. And once you are done, you want to click on share. And under here, you can save it as a template link. It's unsaturated because there's still a big demand for niche templates. And if your target is Airbnb hosts or wedding planners, you are filling a gap that other sellers haven't tapped into yet. Now, for potential earnings, Canva can go for $5 to $20 each. And the best part is customers love bundles. So you can package 5 to 10 templates together and sell them for even more. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to more tips like this, and comment below which of these products you are excited to create. Now, the third on the list is digital planners for hobbies or niche goals. Now, I know what you're thinking, like planners are everywhere on Etsy. Yes, but here's the catch. Like I said before, most of these planners are generic. If you create planners for hobbies like gardening, pet training, or cosplay, you are hitting audiences that are totally unreached. Now, you can simply create these planners by utilizing Canva, InDesign, or even PowerPoint. You want to make them specific, like adding sections of water planting schedules, that's if you are doing for gardeners, or fabric budgets if you are doing for cosplayers. Then you want to save the file as a PDF for easy download. Now, this particular digital product is unsaturated because niche planners appeal to a smaller but loyal group of buyers. Plus, they are willing to pay for something tailored to their own passion. Now, potential earnings of this could sell for $5 to $20 each, because this time you are niching down. So you are reaching a loyal audience who may be even willing to pay more. And once you create one, this is something you can sell for months. Now, the fourth on the list is printable game templates. So let's talk about this one. Families, teachers, and even event planners are always looking for affordable games, but there's surprisingly very little variety on Etsy. And it's easy to create by simply thinking of fun ideas like classroom games or escape room puzzles. And you want to go and design them on Canva or Illustrator. Once you edit them to your satisfaction, you can simply save them as PDFs or JPEGs for easy printing. Now, this one is unsaturated because a lot of sellers stick to basic party games. So by offering unique themes or educational games, you are bound to stand out. Now, for the potential earnings, you can price this at between $5 to $15 per game. And people often buy multiple templates at once. So you are bound to make more per sale. Now, number 5 is hand-drawn clip arts or illustrations. Now, these ones are for my creatives out there. So small businesses, crafters, and even bloggers are always looking for unique, non-generic illustration. And this can also easily be created by drawing your designs either digitally or on paper, then scan them in. So now this one is unsaturated because most clip arts on Etsy look exactly the same. But by offering hand-drawn unique pieces, it will give you an advantage. For potential earnings, you can pack your clip arts and sell them for about $10 to $30, and they are perfect for repeat customers like graphic designers or educators. Now, the sixth on the list is coloring pages for adults. These are super popular for stress relief, and you can create them with Procreate or Illustrator to design intricate and relaxing patterns. You can save them as PDF files and, of course, start selling them on Etsy. Now, these are unsaturated because most adult coloring pages are either too generic or not customizable. So by adding a theme, you are tapping into a whole new audience. And the potential earnings for this is that this can sell for about $5 to $15. You are making unique ones and more customizable ones. Now, the seventh on the list is ebook guides. Now, with so many entrepreneurs and creators launching their own ebooks, there is a growing demand for professional, ready-to-use templates. And for this, you can also easily create them using Canva to make professional layouts. This is also unsaturated yet because not everybody has the design skill to create a polished ebook. Now, for potential earning, these can sell for within $5 to $25. So these are 7 unsaturated digital products that you can sell on Etsy. And the best part is this is something that once you create, they become passive income stream because you can just create it once and they keep reselling. I hope you found this helpful. Leave in the comment section where you are watching from. I would like to know. Stay tuned. See you in my next video. Ciao.